guys, welcome to a new video, and in this one I am going to share 3 hairstyles with you that are quick to do, pretty simple, and perfect for Christmas or New Year's, holiday festive parties. Now, of course, the base of any hairstyle is nice and healthy hair, so I'd like to take a moment to talk about today's sponsor, which is Function of Beauty. Function of Beauty are a haircare brand who offer customizable haircare. All of their products are cruelty-free and vegan, which is amazing. I have 2 of their products here. I have the shampoo and conditioner. So like I mentioned, these are fully customizable. So when you go onto the Function of Beauty website, you fill in a little quiz that kind of helps determine what the current state of your hair is and where you would like to go with your hair. And then they formulate products that are specifically tailored for what it is that you want for your hair. So you can outline your hair type, your hair goals, and your personal preferences, such as the color and scent of the products. Function of Beauty doesn't use parabens, sulfates, GMOs, or any toxins. And like I mentioned, they are 100% vegan and cruelty-free. Yay for that! So I have been using these for a couple of weeks now, and I have actually, like you guys have noticed, I have been getting more compliments about my hair lately in my vlogs and just in videos in general. I am wearing some extensions today, so that's why my hair maybe looks a little bit more full than normal, but obviously the top layers and everything up here is my natural hair, and it has looked super shiny, and it has felt super soft and just very healthy since I've been using these. Now, if your formula initially doesn't work for you as well as you had hoped, then they very kindly offer to reformulate once to make sure that you are absolutely happy with your products, which was my case, and I'm very happy to say that my second formula is absolutely amazing and just perfect for my hair. I'm very happy that I have this now. I chose the color Seafoam Green, I believe it's called, for both my shampoo and conditioner, and I chose the scent Perfection. It's a very fresh, fruity, kind of, I'd say more apple-y actually, scent. So the hair profile that I chose is straight, fine, and oily hair, and my goals are to hydrate, lengthen, replenish hair, soothe scalp, and strengthen. So I chose a very kind of nurturing, moisturizing formula that is meant to, you know, help hair grow as long as possible, which is obviously my goal. So Function of Beauty are very kindly offering my viewers 20% off of their first purchase, so you can click the link in the description box to get that. Function of Beauty is currently available in the US, Canada, Great Britain, European Union, Australia, New Zealand, and Singapore. So I want to give a massive thank you to Function of Beauty for these beautiful products and for sponsoring today's video. So with all of that said, let's move on to the Christmas hairstyles. For the first hairstyle, I'm going to start by teasing the hair that's right at my crown. So I'm going to take a little section of hair, backcomb that with a small narrow tooth comb, then take the section right below that, backcomb it as well, then move down again one section. I'm going to keep doing this until pretty much all of the top back of my hair is backcombed. Don't forget the sides. So then I'm going to smooth over the top very gently with my comb, and then I'm going to pull everything together into a low ponytail. When I've tied that off, I'm going to go back with the rat tail part of my comb here, which I'm going to stick into my poof to make sure it is nice and even on all sides. So then I'm going to take this beautiful little golden hair clip, and you can use any hair accessory that you like, anything you have available, but I just feel that something shiny metal like this looks really elegant and festive. Even though this is a very simple hairstyle, it is very sleek and definitely a classic that anyone can do. So for the second hairstyle, I'm going to keep the ponytail, but I'm going to pull a part of the ponytail through one of the loops of the hair elastic, just a little bit to create this little bun. And then with the rest of the hair, I'm going to tie my ends into a little ponytail using one of those little rubbery hair elastics. And I'm then going to pull the center over that little bun that I just created and tuck the ends underneath. And this is going to create a very beautiful fanned out bun. So I'm going to make sure to pin everything really well with bobby pins, and then anywhere where it's uneven, I'm just going to go back again with that pick of my comb and make sure everything looks nice and smooth. Pin down any unruly bits if necessary, and there you have your basic bun. Now, of course, you could leave it like that, but I think for Christmas it's just fun to spice it up a little bit. So I'm going to add this little twig of faux holly that I'm going to just attach with a bobby pin, and there is a super simple but very elegant Christmas hairstyle. So for the third style, I am again starting out with that backcombed hair on the top. I'm going to take a small section of hair from the front of my head, which I'm going to braid into a small braid and then fluff out by just simply tugging at the sides of the braid loops to create a slightly bigger braid. I'm then going to pull it back and pin it to the back of my head with a bobby pin just for now while I do the same thing on the other side. When both my braids are done, I'm going to pull them both back, take out that first bobby pin, and I'm now going to clip them together using this bow that I made a few videos ago. It's a DIY, really easy to make, but it's a very cute white ribbon that is absolutely perfect for this hairstyle. So I'm going to use that to clip down my hair, and there is the hairstyle all done. Again, super simple to do, but packs a lot of effect. Really cute and perfect for festive days. So those are the 3 styles that I wanted to share with you today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. I want to give another massive thank you to Functional Beauties for sponsoring today's video. There will be another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!